sa susunod na papatawag agad kayo ng ethics committee hearing?
Hindi. Review ko muna. And then I will give copies of the complaint to the other members. And then I will make a recommendation on what to do.
So,
After I have reviewed it.
So, possible na hindi na umabot within session days, sir?
This next week? This week o last week ngayon na.
So, mga next year na, sir?
Mahirap. Mahirap.
Mga next year na?
No, yung mga sinasabi ko na pwedeng gawin ko, magagawa ko this week. As a matter of fact, it can be extended up to next week. But for us to call a hearing already, if the recommendation would be to call for a hearing and ask Senator De Lima to answer the accusations, that will have to be when we come back in January na. Kasi, out of the country siya, hindi rin, I don't know if I can muster a quorum by next week. Everybody is in Christmas mode already, so ako na lang mag-aaral sa committee ko kung ano, kung anong magandang gawin, kung anong mga recommendation na ibibigay ko sa mga members namin.
Sir, question pa ba kung may jurisdiction kayo? O yun, wala na, hindi niya napag-usapan kasi malinaw?
Oo, walang issue of jurisdiction dito. Malinaw na ang complaint habang senador siya.
So, sir, anong first step, anong procedure, sir? At ano mo na i-determine dapat na nagkakaroon?
Yeah, I'll look at the complaint, determine the form and substance, then give the members a copy, and then after I have fully reviewed the complaint, then I will give my members a copy of my recommendations.
Paano katagal yun, sir?
May timeline ba yun, sir, pag may na-receive?
Gano'ng kabilis ang gusto ko? Well, siguro, give me a week.
But you want this resolved,
Kahit a few days, depende. Depende rin sa mga members ko kung mabilis ang reaction nila.
sir, but you want this resolved as soon as possible?
Yes, as soon as possible.
Because?
Kaya lang, the hearings, I doubt if we can conduct one before Christmas.
Yeah,
Or
but
after New Year na.
Even after New Year, sir?
After New Year, yes.
Yeah, you want this passed already?
Yes, as soon as
So, ilang
possible.
hearings, sir?
Oh, we will be able to, depende sa mga sagot, depende sa mga accusations. It can be done in one hearing, it could stretch out to about 2 or 3,
So,
depende.
nag-invite ba ng resource person sa ganun? Hindi.
Depende.
Depende.
Depende sa sagot ng respondent, saka depende sa mga complainants kung meron silang gustong ipresentang testigo.
So, pwede ba yun na magkaroon ng face-to-face yung complainant at saka yung nare-reklamo?
Oo,
Pwede yun?
usually yes. That's what we have to do. Hindi pwedeng magkatalikod silang magbabatuhan. Mas maganda kung
Sabay na
harapan.
papasagutin.
Ano ba na decision, sir, ng committee decided by majority vote, sir?
Yes, of course.
Members, so ilan, sir, kayo?
Usually, alam mo naman sa Senado, the chair comes up with a resolution or a committee report. The members sign in favor or not. Diba? Ganun naman yun eh. And then it's brought out to the plenary. Majority.
Majority. Of
Always majority.
Of all the
7.
So, apat. So, 4. Tapos when you just the Senate, sir, yun lang, ano yung majority? 2/3?
For expulsion, 2/3. Pero I think a simple majority if that is not the case. O kung admonition or dismissal, di ba, of the
Sir,
case.
majority of the
Dismissal.
members.
It can go from from dismissal of the case to expulsion di ba? Ganun naman lahat ng complaints
Majority of the members
So,
of the Senate.
ang alam ko, pag expulsion, kailangan 2/3 vote. Pagka lower than that, majority lang. Ng plenary. Yeah, 16. 16. Always 16. Kahit ang quorum mo, 17 lang. Parang mga treaties.
Sir, sorry, yung majority po kapag admonition lang. Majority of the members, which is majority of 7.
Oh, but it has to still be approved by the plenary,
So,
by the
majority
by the Senate. itself. Always. Lahat naman yung amin, kahit yung mga committee reports ng ibang mga committees, kung napapansin niyo, napakaraming committee report in the last Congress na wala naman nangyari. Eh kasi hindi dinadala sa plenary. So as long as you don't bring it into plenary, we do not approve it in plenary, it's not a Senate committee report. It's a piece of paper.
Pero sa itong admonition, sa plenary, not necessary na 2/3 votes na. Expulsion
I think
lang.
so.
Expulsion lang
Oo.
kailangan ng 2/3
I think ko.
Pero yung
I'll have to review my rules on that. Pero that's how I recall it. Yun ang tanda ko.
Nakuha yung 4, hindi na-aabot sa plenary.
Kung
4 signatures, hindi na-aabot.
pag walang 4 signatures, oo. Siyempre, wala akong committee report. Yeah.
Sir, ano nangyari dun sa ethics complaint ni Attorney Abelardo de Jesus? First ethics complaint.
We'll probably take into consideration the second supplemental complaint niya. Kasi halos pareho nung ipapadala ng House, but I'm talking off my hat, because I have not read the House complaint yet. So baka, pero the original complaint and the complaint of the other complainant both have issues on jurisdiction. So with that, I think most of the members are ready to. I'm ready to draft a committee report on those specific complaints.
Sir, confident naman kayong babalik sa
Oo, hindi. Mahirap gayahin si Ping tsaka si Greg, ha?
kaya gawin yan sa
Hindi. Binibiro nga ni Ping, hindi na gagayahin, ha?
Sir, did you receive a word kung sila Congressman Farinas o
Yeah, they're coming over. I was on the phone with the majority leader of the House, Congressman Farinas, together with the Speaker. Nihintay lang yung Speaker, they're on the way. They'll probably be here around 3 o'clock, as he told me. Yeah. Here, I will probably receive them in the second floor office of the majority leader because I wanted sana the Senate President to see them, but the Senate President is out. He has a meeting in Malacanang. So anyway, it really will fall into the hands of the Committee on Ethics. So sa akin na rin nila talaga ibibigay.
second floor sila, sir, makakain?
Baka doon na sa second floor. Para katabi lang sa ano. Hindi ko alam eh. Sabi lang niya sa akin. Si Senate President, oo.
Saan kailang assurance sir na magiging fair ang electricity o even
I've said that before. I will say it again. I will always be impartial. If you cannot be impartial and you're chairman of ethics, you better resign.
Ito bang hindi ba indicative ng possible vote for against the Lima yung botohan ng PAOS sa Justice Commission?
That's a different story. Aanguluhan ng ibang gano'n yan, pero sa akin hindi. Because ibang ano yun eh. Ibang sitwasyon yun.
Pero recognition naman sa Senator Lima na talaga nag-advise.
Sabi ka paano? Meron siya?
Nag-advise na tayo kay Gaya.
Oo.
Nakikita niyo ba na nakikita niyo na
As I said, pagka yung mga ganyan, I'd rather not give my personal comment at this point kasi nga then I will not be seen as impartial.
Sir, when you say na, clarify ko lang, yung pwedeng face-to-face yung respondent and yung complainant, meaning kaharap din sila as House Speaker dito sa...
Oh, the complainant, let's say in this case, it is the Speaker or Majority Leader Farinas, then we will invite them. And of course, we will invite Senator De Lima to answer their allegations.
Sir, for the first ethics complaint, nag-file ba si Senator De Lima?
Hindi pa, because we have not called her, we have not asked her to respond. Because we had to settle the issue of jurisdiction muna eh. That's why we did not ask her to respond.
Sabi ko dito, ito ba magiging yung out of court settlement? Hindi pwede applicable.
Magandang tanong yun ah.
Pag-usapan nila.
Hindi maganda.
Paano?
Bakit? Oras na may dinala kang issue sa committee, lalo na sa ethics, as a matter of fact, even sa rules, may dinala kang issue ron, sinettle ng hindi sa committee, hindi magandang tignan. Mas magandang isettle na kita ng publiko, kita ng mga ibang mga senador. Mas magandang ganun. Okay. Thank you. Dami kong gusto mo ihabol sa kwento kasi today, dahil last 3 days.
Wala tayong ano,
Kahit admission na.
pero pag
Ganun pa rin. Bababa pa rin. Bababa pa rin sa plenary, pero kailangan 2/3 na. Very of Diyos. Oh, that's up to her.
Sir, hindi po pinawag sa
That's
inyo.
up to her. Hindi naman show cause order to forward sa akin. It's a complaint of hindi. Hindi. Sa kanya. It's with the Senate Secretary. The Senate President told the Senate Secretary, as far as I know, Senate President told them to give it to the Senate Secretary. As I said, no, I'm ready to come up with a committee report regarding that. Sabay na natin ito sa
Kasi may draft committee report on it.
piniprepare ko pa.
Anong inclination nila naman may jurisdiction kayo?
As I said, parang magtutulog yung partial ako din. Hindi ako magtutulog yung partial din. Pero if you're asking for my personal opinion lang, on these first two, we really have a problem on jurisdiction.
So likely sir, pwede dismiss yung
Kung walang
Kung walang jurisdiction, yes. So if we cannot prove any continuing action up to now, then we will have to dismiss it.
Okay, sir. Salamat, sir.
Okay.